The cookie table is a Western Pennsylvania wedding tradition. Homemade cookies on trays that sometimes span the entire length of a ballroom is not unusual if you grew up in Pittsburgh. Relatives of happy couples spend weeks baking for the big day. Here's Robin Mull with one cookie recipe that's extremely popular when you're tying the knot.
St. Rita's Italian knot cookie recipe is a secret, but we got an inside look.
The first thing I do is I put the sugar in the bowl. I add the shortening, butter and Crisco. Okay, now I'm going to add the eggs. I'm going to add the milk. Then I add the flavoring, and I always give it a sort of a shot of vanilla.
No measurements here with the Italian knots. That's what makes them so good.
Now I'm going to start adding the flour, and I'll add it a little bit at a time.
It's starting to smell like a cookie, I can say that. Tell us a little bit about the bake sale that you have here.
It's 9 o'clock till we're sold out. I have a lot of good help.
Okay. So you said it's like Black Friday here.
Worse.
Worse than Black Friday for cookies.
Worse.
And they start lining up at what time?
7 o'clock.
Get here early.
Right.
Okay. So this is the process.
Tuck it like that and go around.
So you tuck it like this?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Perfect. See that?
Hey, that's
perfect. See that?
perfect.
She did a perfect knot.
Woo! I'm tying the knot. Italian knots at St. Rita's Parish. What's in the icing?
Icing's just powdered sugar and water and flavor.
After all that hard work and preparation, it is now time to take a bite out of these cookies. The icing is definitely the secret recipe to making these so delicious.
It's a traditional cookie, for weddings and holidays. Nice and soft, right?
Nice and soft. That might be the one that I rolled.
Maybe. It's good. Did
A
great
perfect
job.
knot. For a similar Italian knot recipe, visit theaxononline.org. I'm Robin Mull.